There is a bulla menga denga and the sing koi koi. There is a bulla menga denga and the sing kai kai.
Welcome here.
Yeah, thank you.
You're from the north of Ghana?
Yes,
yeah.
Please.
So when did it start? When were you born?
I was born in the north of Ghana.
Yeah.
Yes.
In what year?
In 1967.
Okay, it's not a secret, or?
No, it's just, I guess, give the secret, not all the days, but 1967.
And then, in what kind of environment were you born? What kind of family?
I was born with a family for cowmen, and I was mostly, we were born in mostly a countryside, and mostly it's just dry, it's cold, we have to farm the groundnut, we have to follow the cows. That's the kind of culture I came from.
Because as a boy, you were...
As a boy, as a boy in the countryside, you have to follow the cows, because then the girls have to stay with their mother's home, and then the men have to go out, so we have to follow the cows. Yeah. And mostly, so I learned my music through, because normally when you are going to the cows, normally what you have to do is you have to keep some entertainment. So it's like every house gifted with something, different instrument. So my house was gifted with this instrument. So my grandfather used to a little bit give me some rhythms when I go back to the forest. I can play some music whilst I'm relaxing, you know.
You could practice?
It was not really to practice. It's like you learn it from him, you get some feeling. So when you go back to the countries, like to the park, and whilst the cows are eating, you have to also feel something, entertainment, because you cannot get lonely in the forest. So you have an instrument that at least you can be playing and freaking yourself up and making yourself feel good. You know, so this instrument mostly came there, but I did a lot with it also, because I have to put my own creative, because of my situation, because I have to leave my home, I have to learn a lot of things from other countries.
How does it sound when you are singing one of your traditional songs under a tree? Can you play something for me?
Yes, I can do that, please.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, it would be nice.
Sharaba, sharaba, abirwa kunga la shabaraba, malangini. Hey, sharaba, zola sala gepawine, zola sala gepawine, zola sala gepawine. Yeah, yentose, baparnganga. All right. So when the Lord get us ready, we gotta move. So when the Lord get us ready, we gotta move, yeah. Okay. Sharaba. Okay. Sharaba. Okay. Zola sala ge pawine. Zola sala ge pawine. Ay, zola sala ge pawine. Yele, birwala konga ma yele. Morena yele bala rumma. Baya yele ya.